Okay, let's consider an example that Feldman tells us about. There's a person, a woman, who won a bet, and she's standing in front of a room full of people. Imagine it's a classroom. She tosses a coin in the air and allows it to land on the floor. No one else can see it. That is, see how it's landed. Now, somebody in the audience named has a hunch. Has a hunch. There are a lot of puns that Feldman uses. He's a very punny guy. He is a funny guy. Has a hunch is one of the people in the room who can't see the coin. Wanna, that is wanna bet, has said nothing about whether the coin came up heads or came up tails. But has a hunch, obviously because of her name she has a hunch, believes that the coin landed with the head side facing up. She accepts wanna bet's offer about making a bet, and she believes that the coin landed up. Now here's the question. Does Haza have a reason for believing that the coin landed with the head facing up? I mean, remember, she saw that it's a regular two-sided coin. It was flipped up in the air. She didn't see how it landed. Does she have a reason? Well, think about that proposition P. The coin landed heads up. What are the chances that P is true? Well, there are two sides. It's a 50-50, right? 50% that it's true, 50% that it's false. Well, if it's 50-50, Haza does not have a reason for believing that the coin landed up. And she doesn't have a reason for believing P. She also doesn't have a reason for disbelieving P. What's reasonable for her to do, if the evidence leaves you have equal evidence on both sides of the issue, where does that leave you? It's reasonable for you to suspend judgment. So in this case, it is reasonable for Haza to suspend judgment with respect to P. That is, not to believe it and not to disbelieve it.